Today we start our chapter 5, formatting data in Microsoft Excel. For this, open Excel, and today we work in font group, which is in home tab. For fonts, you can write here something like I write hi there. Okay, you can see this appear in formula bar. If you want and add anything, you can write here like I am here. You can see this is appear in formula bar, in also in grid C. And if you want to finish this is easily removed from formula bar. Now select this, and in home tab you can see font group. This is bold tab. If you click here, this become letters bold. If click on I, this become italic. If I click on U, this become underline. And if I want to change the color of the fonts like red, this color will be changed. If I want to increase the size, click here like 14, you can change the size. Now if you want to increase the size of the grid, drag it, the size will be increased. Again select this. If you want to change the color of background, click here like this one. So this all done by the mouse. Like select here, right click of your mouse, you can see bold, italic, center, color, all this appear here. I select here, and here you can see some options. Before this I make a table, so these options become easily understand for you. I enter some data here, select this, and you can see here alignment options. Like if I click here, this become already right align. If I select here, this become in the center, this is down. Okay, you can see this will become on left side, this come in the center, here right side. I select on center, and you can see here borders. Click here, I select on all borders, the border will be appear here. You can change the color of the line also, select from here. I select if black, this is already red, now I select black. If I click here, this line become black. Okay, if I select all, this line become black. You can increase the width of this also. Okay, another thing is about orientation. It refers the relative physical position or direction of the text. Here you can see AB, this is, see, you can see here this is orientation. Select any name, like I select here Fatima, and click here, you can see its direction change. Select any other, clockwise, anti-clockwise, or vertical, this will be appear like this. And rotate like opposite, this one, suppose I make this one. Okay, like this one. Select like any option, this will be changed. In this way you can change the direction of the text. Another thing is working with lengthy text. I write here a text which is little bit long, like annual result of class 6. Now you can see this text is very long, so what I do, I select this text and click, right click. You can see here format cells, click on this, Here you can see option wrap text. Click on this. Okay, so you can see this all appear in one cell. A wrap mean all cells this become long according to the size of the text, and the text will be arranged inside this cell. Okay, next thing is about number formatting. For example, I write some number here. You can see again in home tab, this is number group. I want to insert comma here, so click here. You can see the number style will be changed. If I want like dollar sign, you can see dollar sign will be appear here. In percentage will be appear, and point will be finished. Now I write another number 0.67, and we check this, like if I want to click on dollar sign, this will appear. If I click percentage, point will be finished, comma, there is this again point decimal. If I click on here, you can see after decimal there is 0 will be appear, and if I click here, if I click double click, only one decimal remaining. So this is the way. If I click another time, this is rounding off. Okay, I go back 0.67. Okay, when I click here single time, this one decimal finish, again I click, this will be round off. So in this way you can rounding off the number. This is called number formatting. In dollar sign, if I click here, you can see here in dollar sign there are some like another currency, like for United Kingdom, Chinese, French. So any other currency if you want more, then there are some date and time, these are also appear. So you can apply with the numbers currency sign, and with percentage, commas, and rounding of these numbers. These are all in your chapter. Hope you understand all of this.